Greetings of the day. Welcome to Samsid International School Horamavu Newsroom. Let us begin our day with a wonderful thought. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Annual Day celebrations are a beautiful reminder that success is not a solo effort, it's a collective victory.
Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much, by Helen Keller. Our school hosted its much anticipated 4th Annual Day on December 22, 2024 at Ambedkar Bhavan. The event, which takes place once in 2 years, is one of our school's most eagerly awaited occasions, bringing together students, parents and faculty to celebrate milestones, achievements and incredible talents of the students. This year's annual day, titled Prana Urja, was inspired by the theme of rivers, conceived by the visionary Ms. Madhavi Vasa, the director of Samsid Group of Schools. The theme focused on the birth of rivers and the blessings they bring to the earth and the critical need for their protection in the face of increasing pollution. The term Prana Urja is derived from Sanskrit, Pran meaning life and Urja meaning energy. Together, it combines to symbolize the energy of life, the idea that the rivers sustain and nurtures life and activity.
The event was conducted in 2 batches, 10:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. In the first batch, Mr. Krishnan Unni NR, a renowned sound engineer, graced the event as the chief guest, while the soulful Ms. Brahmara, a renowned singer, as the guest of honor. For the second show, Mr. Kenja Chetan Kumar, a celebrated writer and director, served as the chief guest, with Ms. Shilpa Ramachandra, an advocate, as the guest of honor. The preparations for this mega event began a month and a half in advance, with eager students enrolling, and the excitement in the air began to build as soon as the preparation began. Rain or shine, the practice sessions weren't hindered. There was chaos, and amidst it was the fun and laughter and plenty of practice. In collaboration with Agni Steps Dance Academy International, a multifunctional arts organization, students were trained for breathtaking dances that brought the theme of rivers to life. Mr. Ranjit, our theatre instructor, guided students through dramatic performances based on river themes, while Mr. Akshay, our dance instructor, led the students in the powerful invocation dance.
The green room and the backstage areas were like, on your mark, get set, ready before the whistle for go sounded. The 2 spaces hung jitters, energy and mental preparation. Students practiced their lines, perfected their dance moves, and some even took a moment to calm their nerves before stepping on to the grand stage. Teachers too were caught in the whirlwind of excitement as they guided their students with encouragement and support. Our principal Ms. Rekha Sinha and Vice Principal Ms. Nandini shared the school's annual report highlighting the growth of our school and achievements.
The event featured a series of performances by students from pre-primary to grade 10, each focusing on a different river of India. It included the Barsore and Ocean Dance by pre-primary, Shiva's Entry Dance by grade 8, Ganga's Introduction, Cha Folk by grade 7, Birth of Yamuna, Pahadi Uttarakhand Dance by grade 1, Birth of Godavari, Gondal and Kholi Dance by grade 3, Birth of Kaveri, Kaveri Dance by grade 6, Oyalatam Tamil Folk Dance by grade 2, Village Setup Rain Dance by grade 5, River Restoration, No Plastic Anthem Dance by grade 4, and also included the final scene and the grand finale dance where parents were invited to the stage to shake a leg. These performances beautifully conveyed the essence of each river's journey from its birth to its vital role in sustaining life and the importance of protecting them from pollution.
This year's annual day was more than just a series of performances. It was a celebration of talent, creativity, and a shared vision of protecting our environment. It beautifully illustrated the power of rivers, not only in sustaining life, but also in reminding us of our responsibility to care for the earth. It truly takes a village to bring a concept to life, and that's exactly what happened. Students, teachers, ancillary staff, administrative team, and even the parents all came together to make this event a reality.
Our teachers always work towards the holistic development of students. We enjoy coming to school as we not only gain knowledge but also enjoy the various activities. Goodbye until we meet next with some exciting news updated.